In this video, we're going to take a look at how you can allow students to log in with username in addition to email address on your LifterLMS website. My name's Will Middleton from LifterLMS. Let's dive into it. So currently on my login screen, you can see only email address and password as options to log in with. If you wanted to allow username as an additional option, so either username or email address along with password to log in, all you need to do is head to the back end of WordPress under LifterLMS Forms, and on the purchase information form, click Edit, and make sure that username is one of the required fields here for students to fill out to create an account on your website. So let's take a look at the LifterLMS blocks, and I believe it's user login. That's what it's called. It's not called username, it's called user login, but it's the username field. So now that I have the user login block, or username block, on my purchase information form, if I click Update and head back over to the login page and reload, we'll see username or email address as an option to log in.